Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing Brave and ensuring Tor is available. Install or update Brave to the latest stable build, then open Brave and choose New Tor window. Once done, make sure other browsers and apps that might leak traffic are closed. You will also check that Brave's shields and privacy settings are default for Tor sessions, so sites cannot fingerprint you easily. This gets you into a safe, isolated Tor tab quickly, preventing basic leaks before we proceed to deeper configuration. Once the Tor window is open, focus on session configuration to maintain anonymity. First, avoid using regular tabs. Keep all Tor activity inside the Tor window. Next, set shields to block scripts, third-party cookies, and fingerprinting to reduce tracking. Also disable any Brave extensions for Tor windows because they can leak data. If you must use one, enable it only temporarily and understand the risk. Finally, use private sign-ins sparingly and prefer generic usernames. These steps control what leaves your machine over the Tor circuit. To finish, verify your Tor circuit and IP by visiting a Tor check page inside the Tor window. This confirms traffic is routed correctly. If the connection is slow or a site blocks Tor, open a new Tor window or restart Brave to obtain a new circuit. This often resolves performance and reachability issues. If pages break, briefly toggle shields or disable a specific extension and retry. Remember to re-enable protections afterward. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Restarting the Tor window resets the circuit and solves many common problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.